Namaste, myself Dr. K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about the discussion method. Discussion involves two-way communication between participants. In the classroom situation, an instructor and trainee all participate in discussion. During discussion, the instructor spends some time listening while the trainee spends some time talking. The discussion is therefore a more active learning experience for the trainee than the lecture. A discussion is the mean by which people share experiences, ideas, and attitudes, as it helps to foster trainee involvement in what they are learning. It may contribute to desired attitudinal changes. Discussion may be used in the classroom for the purpose of lesson development, making training apply what they have learned, or to monitor training learning by two-way of feedback. The lesson development in the area in which trainee already have some knowledge or experience, discussion may be used to develop the main point to be covered in a lesson. For example, in safety training, many of the procedure and behavior that should be observed can be established through discussion with the trainee. Trainee can draw on their experience of working in the workshop, contract sites to contribute to the discussion. In discussion, some issues, differences of opinion arise. The discussion can help to clarify the different point of view and may assist each trainee to define his or her opinion. Used in this way, discussion may be more effective in motivating trainee than lectures. Trainee can see that some importance is attached to their contribution. Applications. Discussion may also be used following a lecture or demonstration to help students apply what they have learned. The teacher can ask questions that help students to relate concept and principle to contexts that are familiar to the student or in which they will ultimately be needed. For example, following a lecture on type of wood joints, the teacher may lead a discussion directing student attention to the place a piece of furniture where each type is found and the reason for using one type than the other. Used in this way, discussion contribute to the transfer of learning. Then what is the feedback? Discussion method also provide an opportunity to monitor student learning. The answer provided by students and the question they ask reveal the extent and quality of learning taking place. Instructor can use this information to repeat or modify an explanation to improve learning. They can also provide feedback to teacher, thereby helping to reinforce learning that has taken place. Discussion used in this way should follow after other method of classroom instruction such as lectures, demonstration or practice session. Conducting a discussion session can be led by the teacher or can take place in group. In either case, the goal is to meet the lesson objective by allowing the students to relate relevant personal experience or events which have occurred in the work setting, contribute idea or personal opinion, apply what has been learned to familiar situation or solving problem, express what had been learned. Whether the discussion is teacher led or take place in group, it must be guided by the teacher. It must be focused on the objective of the lesson. It is teacher responsibility to see that objectives are met. If it is not properly guided, a discussion can degenerate into a consideration of inappropriate or unimportant topic, adding confusion rather than clarification to the lesson. Then there are some advantages of the discussion method are that first, increase the student interest, increase student acceptance and commitments, utilizes student knowledge and experiences, result in more permanent learning because of high degree of student participation. Then some disadvantages: required highly skilled instructor, require preparation by students, content limits, consume time or restrict the size of the group. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the discussion method, and all about the discussion method. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.